Welcome to this introductory guide on replica sets in MongoDB. In this session, we will unravel the concept of MongoDB replication, which is essential for achieving high availability and ensuring data redundancy in your deployments. So, what exactly is a replica set? Simply put, a replica set is a cluster of MongoDB servers designed to maintain an identical data set. This setup is crucial because it provides both redundancy, meaning your data is duplicated across multiple servers, and high availability, ensuring your application remains operational even if one server fails. Let's explore the key components that make up a replica set. First, we have the primary. This is the main server that receives all write operations, meaning any data you add or change is first recorded here. The primary then replicates these changes to the secondaries. Next are the secondaries. These servers maintain a copy of the primary's data, providing redundancy. If the primary fails, one of the secondaries can take over. Lastly, there's the arbiter. This is an optional component that participates in the election process to determine a new primary, but it doesn't hold any data itself. It's purely there to help with decision-making in the event of a failover. This is a typical replica set architecture. At the center, we have the primary node, which handles both read and write operations. The data is then replicated to the secondary nodes, which are read-only. This ensures that even if the primary node fails, the secondary nodes have the same data, maintaining data consistency and availability. There are two primary benefits to implementing replica sets. The first is high availability. Automatic failover capabilities ensure that your application remains continuously available, even if the primary server goes down. The second is data redundancy. By maintaining multiple copies of your data, you're protected against data loss and hardware failures. Let's walk through the automatic failover process. Step 1: the primary fails. This could be due to a hardware issue, network interruption, or any other reason that makes the primary unreachable. Step 2: an election occurs. The remaining nodes in the replica set hold a vote to determine which secondary will become the new primary. Step 3: a new primary is elected. One of the secondaries is chosen, becomes the new primary, and begins accepting write operations, ensuring minimal downtime. Let's look at a basic configuration to initialize a replica set. First, connect to your MongoDB instance. Then, use the rs.initiate method. Here you'll define the replica set's ID, in this case, myReplaceSet, and list the members of the set, specifying their unique IDs and host addresses. This configuration sets up a basic replica set with 3 members: Mongo1, Mongo2, and Mongo3, all running on port 27017. Here are the key takeaways. Replica sets provide automatic replication and failover capabilities, and they are essential for production environments that require high availability and data safety. Now you're ready to implement MongoDB replication in your applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.